Look at the deflection on beam 7.
It's holding, but barely. We're approaching the yield point.
Lowering sequence engaged. Hold steady at 2 meters.
Roger that. Clear on the alignment pins.
Every engine is tested under extreme conditions, pushed to its limits before it ever meets the road.
The naturally aspirated V10 engine begins assembly. Each piston, each crankshaft, balanced to perfection.
The heart of the Everest takes shape. A powerful turbocharged engine built for performance. High-performance electric motors delivering instant torque with 0 delay. Single-speed transmission optimized for seamless acceleration. Advanced transmission systems deliver seamless power. Solid front and rear axles built for true off-road dominance. Each engine begins as precision-crafted components. Powertrain meets chassis. Strength meets intelligence.
Descend slowly, maintain alignment.
We have the alignment. Inserting the pin now.
The laser alignment is confirmed. We have green status across all axes.
Excellent. The calibration is perfect.